I'm back on the crazy KAD44 job. We've done all the electrical stuff that was burnt out. We've run it and we know that that's all working, so that's fine. But what I found next was a great big exhaust leak down below the turbo. The turbo's quite new, it hasn't been there very long, but it's all manky in there, and this was all manky. And this that goes around the top of that tube with the hose joins on is completely fucked. So my job today is to install this. It's a new end. It's a sleeve, a hard plastic heat-proof sleeve that goes over there, and then I can put the turbo and the rubber boot that goes between the turbo elbow, or the exhaust elbow, and the exhaust pipe back on. So I'll show you what that looks like when I'm finished.